In this video, I will compare the Sidephone SP-01 against its main rivals to see if this unique device is worth your money. At its core, the SP-01 is a distraction-free secondary phone designed to help you disconnect from social media without losing essential connectivity. The first thing you will notice is the incredibly slim profile and the beautiful monochrome e-ink display. This screen is perfect for reading under direct sunlight, and it places very little strain on your eyes. However, the slow refresh rate might frustrate users who are used to high-end smartphones. On the positive side, the battery life is truly industry-leading because it can easily last for an entire week on a single charge. While the build quality feels premium, the software experience is somewhat limited since you cannot install third-party apps. This means you are stuck with basic calling and texting features. If you want a minimalist tool to boost your focus, the SP-01 is a great choice, but for power users it may feel too restrictive.